at you guys. He's downstairs, Frank. They're playing Guitar Hero.
Guitar Hero?
Yeah, Melissa just set them up. Oh, believe me. Yeah, no, I will.
We were at the O'Hara today. We went over to meet, Mike and Nicole or something. We went over to meet them, and he was running around and kept telling me to stop. I'm sitting by the end of the deck upstairs. I'm running by, so I grabbed by the shirt. And I said, Justin, stop. He kept pulling. Pulled right out of my hand and went down the stairs.